Good
Okay.
evening.
Yeah, very good. I hope everyone have joined. Okay. So yeah, so can you all tell me like what are the things we discussed in the last week? Can we have a quick recap? Yes, what did we learn in the last week? अंतिम क्लास ಇದೆ අපි මොනවද ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ කරේ? கடைசி கிளாஸ்ல என்னத பத்தி பார்த்தோம்? So if you all can discuss, we can then do a recap on it and we can go. So I just wanted to check whether you people can remember what we did.
Bullets and sub-bullets.
Okay, bullets and sub-bullets, but yes.
Alignment, shading, borders.
Okay. So in home tab, the font section, we covered everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So any doubts you all have in that? Any confusions?
No, sir.
Okay. So yeah. So we covered border, line, and paragraph. Then find and replace shading. So we covered all those things, right? So let's open Word. Is my screen visible for everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Yes, so we covered this section, right? We covered this section. We covered format painter. Okay, then we covered all these sections, and then bullets, sub-bullets, number bullets, and alignments, line and paragraph spacing, decrease, increase, and then shadings, borders, find and replace. We covered all this. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have any doubts, any confusions in this, you can ask me so I can quickly go through that and we can move to the new topic. Anything you all have? Right.
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. Right. So in between, if you have any doubts, don't wait, you can ask. Okay. So today we will be going to a new tab, that is insert tab, right? In insert tab, there are a few things that we are going to learn today. Okay, there are a few things, right? First, we'll go with images. First, we'll go with images. Okay. We'll see how to add an image. First, I'll just put a paragraph. Okay. Can you all tell me how can I? Yeah.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, screen can't see here.
Can't see. 1 second. What about now?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay. All right. Okay. So today we'll see how to add an image to our document. So before that, I'll just ask you how to make this a justified paragraph. How make a justify karani? Eppadi the justify paragraph. What is the shortcut key? Yes. What is the shortcut key? I have got one correct answer from
Control plus J, sir.
Very good. Okay. Control plus J, right? Or else you go home and here you have the tab. Okay. So we'll press Control plus J. Now you can see everything has justified. Okay. Now we'll try to add a image. So if you want to add an image to your document, you have to go to insert and then pictures. Insert tab again pictures option select karnone ugalangi document ekata pinture dagandu unna. Moda document ku neenga image on add pannanu sonna pictures option click panni. Okay. Then you go to the location where you have the images. So here there is an image. I'll just open it and then you can see the image is inserted. Now when you insert an image, there are certain things. Now you can see we have up to this, we have tabs. Okay. Now I click this image. Okay. Now I click this image. You can see I click this image. Now I get a tab called format. Okay. We'll go to the format tab in a while. Okay. But before that, I'll just click the image. Can you see the dots in all the corners? Can you see all the dots in the corners? We call it as anchor points or image resizing points. Okay. Now you can use any of these points to adjust the size of your image. Okay. Adjust the size of your image. What I will do is I'll click this middle point and I'll adjust the size of the image. What happened to the quality of the image? Is it the same?
No.
No, right? No, I'll try to fix it. Do you think it will be possible to fix? Do you think it is the same?
No, sir.
No. So always make sure when there is an image, okay, you can increase, we'll say this one down top, you can just decrease the height. This one you can decrease the width. But make sure if you use these middle points, it will damage your quality of the image. That means it will squeeze. Okay. It will squeeze or it will make it enlarged, something like that. Then ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ මැද තියෙන points ටික use කරා නම් සමහර වෙලාවට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ image quality එක නැති වෙනවා. දැන් බලන්න මම මේ උස අඩු කරන මෙහෙම adjust කරා නම් මේ Apple එකේ අර actual තිබ්බ image quality එක නැති වෙනවා. அந்த நீங்க இந்த நடு points நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்பயும் image adjust பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு சொன்னா இப்படி image quality வந்து shut down. So without doing anything or without affecting the image, how to adjust? For that, you can use this corner points. You can use this corner points. So why I am telling corner points is, see, what happens? What happens, do you all think? What do you all think?
Quality remains the same.
Quality remains the same. Why is it? Why is it? See, the image, the perfect look, even when I make it small, the apple is the same, not getting adjusted. See, only the image size is reducing, the quality of the image is the same. Why do you think? Any guesses or anyone understood why?
Because the length and the width is adjusted equally.
Okay, so it is, you can see all the four sides are equally getting adjusted. You understand? All the four sides are equally getting adjusted. Now when you use any of these corner points, okay, හතර පැත්තම සමාන විදියට තමයි අඩු වෙන්නේ මේ. நாலு பக்கமும் நீங்க இப்படி இந்த ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு corner point யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நாலு பக்கமும் right equal-ஆ தான் adjust ஆகும். All right, so that's what always make sure you use the corner points whenever you are working with the image, then it won't affect your quality of the image. Understood? Right. Apart from that, we have certain things like image layouts. So in this corner you can see, so what is the default one? When I click this, what is the default one? It says in line with text. That means, can you see the image? It is in the line. I'll try to move it. Can you see there is a black color dot or black color line comes? That is the place where the image will get inserted. Now I select the image, I'll click and drag it. Now the image select කරලා දැන් ඒක මම move කරන්න හදනවා. එහෙම කරද්දි இப்ப நான் image අඟට இங்கிட்டு move பண்ண පාකකිට, can you see this black color line? So that is the place where your image will get inserted. Now you can see the black color line is in front of the click word. I drop, you can see the image is in front of the click word. Now if I put it here, the image will come in front of the word. If I put it here, in front of footer. If I put it here, in front of themes. Okay, in front of themes. Now I just missed this. You can see on top of the image there is a clockwise arrow key. You click that and you can rotate the image according to your wish. See, you can rotate it. Okay, if you want to rotate it equally, that means like 90 degrees and all, hold the shift key and rotate it. See, so it will have a perfect rotation, all sides equal rotation. See how it is getting rotated. Okay, if I just use, it can be like this, it can be like this, a little slanted, more slanted. But if you use shift like this, so clockwise it will rotate perfectly. So you can click shift and you can do it. Okay, right. Now the next layout we have is, okay, the next layout we are going to see is top and bottom. What is it? Top and bottom. When I give this, you can see I can move the image as I want. Okay, earlier I couldn't move like that. Okay, you can see earlier I can move only line by line. Now I give, okay, first square. When you give square, your image changes as a square. See, all around we have text. See, your image changes as a square. පෙට්ටියක් වගේ තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ image මාරුවන්නේ. ඒ නිසා words ටික ඔක්කොම ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ image වටේට තියෙයි. Okay, பொட்டி ஒன்று மாதிரி அந்த box shape-க்கு உங்களோட text அப்படியே உங்களோட image சுத்தி இருக்கும். And the next one is, these two I'll tell you later. Then top and bottom. When you give top and bottom, you can move. Okay, please mute your mics, guys. That will disturb the whole class. Okay, so please be aware of your mics. If you have any doubts, no worries. Okay, other than that, please be aware of it. Okay, right now now top and bottom, you can see you have text to the top, to the bottom. Okay, you have the text to the top and bottom. Then next one we have is behind the text. So your image will go behind the text. Okay, behind the text, in front of the text. So your image will come in front of the text and it will hide the contents. See, it will hide the contents. So these are some of the alignments. To see this, we have to do a small change. What I will do is, okay, now I'll just enlarge the image. Okay, and then what you do is you click the image, go to the format tab, and the very first one, is remove background. Okay, click that and you can see the purple color in the image. Okay, whatever it is in this purple color. Okay, purple color means I think in Tamil we say Uda color, and in Sinhala we say Dampart. Is it? Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, you are correct.
Dampart is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. So then මේ image එකේ Dampart තියෙන ටික ඔක්කොම delete වෙනවා. Okay. இப்போ இதுல ஊதா கலர்ல இருக்கிற எல்லாம் வந்து அப்படியே wait. Is ஊதா color correct? For purple?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So whatever it is in this purple color, okay, it will get deleted. Okay. So then what will happen to this piece of the apple? What will happen?
We are going to cut.
It is also going to get deleted. Okay. So then do we need that part or not? අපිට මේ places ටික ඕනේද නැද්ද image එකේ?
Yeah, we need.
We need, right? So what you do is go for mark areas to keep and you select those places. Okay. Now we don't need this place. We don't need this place, right? We have to delete this. Then mark areas to remove and then you select, it will get selected. And you say keep changes. Now you can see the background is deleted. Now you can see our image is in square layout. Now I will change it to through or tight. What it will do is it will give the text around your image. See, can you see now? According to the shape of your image, the text is changing. If you have a PNG image without a background, okay, without a background, you can apply this tight and through. Okay, tight and through the same. Okay, now square, the image is square, you put through, it will be like like this. Make it small, you can like adjust wherever you want it. But this is the actual image. Now if you want to crop the image up to here, okay, for that I'll insert the image with the background, then it will be more easier for us. Okay, I'll change the layout to square.
Sir, could you please explain it again?
Removing background.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. After the crop, I'll explain. Okay. So here you can right click the image. You can say crop, or in the format, the last part is crop. You click that and you can see the black color lines. You can adjust it. Okay. You can adjust this. Now this will be your image size and these parts will get deleted. Okay. These parts will get deleted. Okay, now you can see the image is in this size. Okay, even if you put square or through, whatever it will be. Now, if you put this square, your image will be taken as this size. If you put this one square, it will be only this size. Okay, how to remove a background? Select the image, right? Go to the format tab, remove background, and you can see whatever it is in purple color is going to get deleted from your image. So you check these places. If it has some places, you can select this, okay, and then you say keep changes. Now you can see the background is removed, but still it is not coming according to the size of your image. So what you do is you click this and you say tight or through. Now can you see it will take according to the shape of the image. Okay, how to get an image to the document? I have a question. Okay, so it's simple as like this. Go to the insert tab, picture, then you select the location where pictures are. If it is in desktop, if it is in downloads, if it is in any place, we'll say downloads. I have a picture, you put it, and that's it. You insert and then you make it square, tight or through or whatever, or top and bottom. So you can put this. So you'll have images on only text above and below. All right. Clear with that? Clear with the alignments and all?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can just put it in chat section. Then, okay. Then what we have is we have some, after remove background, we can do some correction, guys, but not like in Photoshop and all, but just general correction, like you can increase and decrease the brightness. See, you can just adjust if you need, but it will not look that good. Okay, it will not look that good. Okay, color, so you change the colors. Okay, I see. Can just do these things, and then artistic effects. You can do these kind of changes to the upper, say blurred. Yes, you can do these kind of changes. Okay. Then we have, you can add shapes to the image, like curl, round, or if you want something like this. Yes, soft edges. Say any shapes. And then if you want any borders, you can apply any colors, okay, or you can increase the size of the border. Okay, you can select the styles of borders. Okay, so it's up to you. So then picture effect, if you have any like 3D effects, see shadow, there is a shadow now. Okay, see 3D effects, soft edges, then bevel. See, so this kind of changes you can do it. Okay, this kind of changes you can do it. And here also we have the position of image. Then we have wrap text in the center, the layout options. Okay, so all the layout options. Then we have here this one, send backward, those things not important. Then you have rotate. You can select the image, say rotate 90, flip. Is it not getting rotated? Okay, say flip horizontal, flip vertical, rotate 90. Okay, you can do these things. Okay, so that's about a image. Are you all clear with it? You add the image, you can do all the stylings, all the editings, and you can apply everything. Clear with that? All right, okay. Yeah, so next is we'll see online pictures. Online pictures means you click this, okay, a search bar will come up, okay, a Bing search bar. You can search here. Okay, we'll say cricket and you enter. So you can see cricket, the cricket insect, ball, everything is there. Okay, you click and you say insert here. And it will directly get downloaded from the internet and it will get inserted here. Okay, if you have internet connection, you can do that directly from internet. If you are putting it from computer, you go for picture. Okay, next let's see how to add shapes. Shapes also the same. You can add any of the shapes here you want. Say rectangle, you add it like this. Okay, then this also has layout options, inline, square, whatever the layout options you can apply. Okay, then you can right click and say add text and you can type inside. Okay, then what other things you can do is, okay, you can change the styles here, the color, how does it look and all. Okay, then you have outline, you can give us different colored of outline, and then shape effects. Okay, this also you can give glow and all those things. Okay, let's say you don't want a background color, go to shape fill and say no fill. Okay, now why the text is also not visible? Change the text color to black because it was white color, so white color was not visible. Now you can change. So here the shape settings, here the words settings. We'll say you don't want an outline also, you go for shape outline and you say no outline. Okay, so it depends how you are going to style your document. Okay, right. Now we'll say sometimes you all will see shapes will have images. Okay, shapes will have images. We'll say insert shape, something like, okay, we'll say a heart shape. Want the heart shape, and inside this, okay, to apply this, you can right click, okay, and right click. You go to format, go to shape fill, and here you have picture option. Okay, you right click, fill, go to picture option, right click, fill, picture option, or else go to format, shape fill, and then picture option, online or from a file. We'll say from a file, and so you can see now the image is inserted in this. Okay. So that's about adding an image. Okay, you can add the image, then you can adjust the size of the shape. Okay, so that's how you add a image. Now here you can see after adding an image, if it is just a shape, you'll get only format. After adding an image, you'll get two formats: drawing tools and picture tools. Drawing tool is for the shape. Picture tool is for the image. Picture tool is for the image. So now when you are adjusting shapes, if you want a proper even size, you hold shift and you give. See, perfectly it will adjust the all four sides. If I didn't hold shift, see, it will go like this, like this. Even though I'm using the corner points, you can see it will go like this, up, down. So you hold shift, see, now all four sides are equally getting adjusted. Clear with that? Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Adding text. So even you can add text to this also. And you put a color that will be visible. Something like this. You can do it. Okay. So the insert option, we have picture and then shapes. Okay. Then we'll go to the next one is adding smart arts. Adding smart arts. Okay. You click smart art, you'll get all these options. Smart arts are like charts you all have in health science or science. You might have food pyramids, and then you have this cycle of water, then life cycle of a tadpole, life cycle of a frog, and so those kind of things. Okay, which shows some process or any hierarchy, like when there is main heading like thing, and below that we show what are the divisions they have, those kind of things. So let me open, say, okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's say I'll go for this. Okay, let's say I'll go for this. Okay, now you can see we have CEO, then head of finance, head of marketing, head of HR. So this is a hierarchy chart. Okay, so you go to insert smart art. So in this, which section I have to go? You know, there are list, process. So if you want to show some process, okay, first do this, then do this, then do this. Then you have, even in list, you can do that. Then cycle, and then it starts here, goes next, 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 and comebacks. Okay, hierarchy, there are different ones. Okay, then relationships, like all the scientific diagrams. Then matrix, then you have pyramid, then you have picture. Using picture also you can make charts. A picture, 3 pictures, explanation, picture, 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 here explanation, explanation, explanation. So something like that. So we'll say I'll go to hierarchy, and that chart is, I think, this one. Yeah, there is that chart. I'll say okay. Now you can see the picture, the chart got inserted. Okay, the smart art got inserted. Now when you click this smart art, I'll just close. Don't type it directly from here. Don't type it directly from here. Don't type it directly from this place. Okay. In this corner, there is an arrow key. Okay. In this corner, there is an arrow key. There is an arrow key. You click that arrow key, select the last point, drag it until the first and delete. Drag it until the first and then you have to delete it. Understood? See what I did. Select the last point and delete up to the first. You can see that the last point is not getting selected. The last point is not getting selected. Select all the points and then delete it. And then delete it. So you can see it will get deleted. So what is the first one? We have CEO, head of finance, head of marketing, and head of HR. I will say I give CEO here. How can I now, if you just think as bullet points, how can I create a new point? What I have to do? Yeah, what I have to do? So if I want to create a new point, what I have to do?
Press enter.
Press enter, right? Okay, very good. So here we are going to work like a, okay, we are going to work like a bullet point options only. Okay, bullet point options only. Right, you press enter. So it creates a new point. How can I make this a sub bullet point? How can I make this a sub bullet point? What is the key I have to press? You all forgot? I have to press the tab key. You can press the tab key. Okay. Or else here you can say demote. Okay, press the tab key. Or here you can say demote. Then what are the new points I have? Okay, it says head of finance, head of marketing, head of HR. Say head of finance, head of marketing, then head of HR. So you can see I have created all the 3 points here. Now, if you see for head of finance, I have another 3 sub bullet points. How to create it? How to create it? Keep your cursor in front of head of finance. Okay. Press enter. It will create a new point. Okay. Then mata head of finance ekata තව shapes තුනක් sub විදියට add කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒක දැන් points එකේ අපි කරනවා නම් sub bullet points කියලා තමයි. ඒකයි මම sub bullet points කියලා කිව්වේ. දැන් head of finance එකට cursor එක තියලා enter press කරාම අලුත් point එකක් create වෙනවා. මෙතන බලන්න අලුත් shape එකක්. මෙතන අලුත් point එකක්. මේක sub bullet point කරන්න ඔයා tab key එක press කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay. So நாங்க வந்து இப்ப head of finance க்கு இந்த மூணு sub shapes add பண்றேன்னு சொன்னா எப்படி செய்யறது? அந்த நாங்க sub bullet point add பண்ண போற sub shape add பண்ண போற பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு கர்சரை வச்சு பாயிண்ட்ல கடைசியில தான் கர்சரை வைக்கணும். என்டரை கிளிக் பண்ணா புது ஷேப் ஒன்று ஹெட் ஆகும். ஓகே, அதை நீங்க tab press பண்ணா it will get as a sub bullet point. Then you give this executive assistant and enter. Executive. Enter. And head of marketing, senior manager. Okay, only one. Now we'll say head of HR. I have two sub bullet points. What I have to do?
Click in front of HR, enter, tab.
Yeah, very good. So keep the cursor in front of head of HR, enter, and then tab. So it says team lead and senior manager. And senior manager. So again, for senior manager, there are two more sub bullet points. Okay. So I'll make it assistant and enter. So while I was working in this, did I adjust the size of the shape or did I do anything inside the shape? Did I do anything? It automatically adjusted the size. It automatically did everything. So until you finish typing, you don't go to adjust any of those things. We'll say you made a mistake. You made a mistake somewhere here. Okay, you have added a new shape. So don't press delete from here because it will totally make your chart look like or smart art look like a different one. It will make all things difficult. So when you create a new shape or any mistake, how to delete it is select that particular shape around the border of it and then you press delete, it will get deleted. Understood? Clear with it? Are you all clear? But this option is not available in mobile phone. I was checking. Mobile like smart art option is not available. Okay, guys, I just wanted to ask you all. So did we learn about columns? Paragraph columns, dividing it into columns, bold, center, and font sizes, all those things we have covered, right? Page border. Yeah. Yes, I couldn't hear you. What was it?
Yeah, sir, we cover all that.
Oh, okay. And we didn't study about tables yet. Am I right?
No, sir, we didn't study.
Okay. Then here we have some other stylings and all we can do it. So I'm not going to focus on that. Okay. So these contents we usually go with the advanced course of it. Since you all are in certificate course, the basic will be enough. And here the image also, remove background, those options are not available in mobile phone. You can insert image, you can work with the layouts. That's it. Okay, that's it. And yes, so yeah, Yeah, well, we can just so we can just try to share the mobile phone and we'll see what are the options. So here you go to insert option, then you have pictures, okay, shapes, and then table. Okay, we don't have smart art option. We don't have smart art option. Okay, we don't have that option, unfortunately. So here I have inserted an image, okay, in Word document. So you click, you can move here. If you don't have the layout option here, you can move any ways, and then you can use the points to adjust. Okay, points to adjust, and the rotate option is also available. Then so picture styles, okay, styles we have, you can apply styles, okay, and then you have shadow, reflection, and wrap text. So we have inline, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of the text. So we have the layout options in here, and arrange, crop. So those are the settings. So you can crop the image accordingly. But as I know, you don't have that remove background option inside the Word. You don't have it inside the Word, but other than that, you can download a PNG image and you can edit your document. Where? Are you clear with it? So don't worry, those who don't have computers, as I told you, for the exams, whatever you can do it in mobile phone only, I'll be including it in your document. Other than that, I won't give any other things. So if you all have any doubts regarding today's class, you can ask. We have 7 more minutes, so we can focus on the questions. Any questions? Yes, Sadurshan. Any others have any questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. லேட் ஆகிட்டா நான் வந்து ஜாயின் ஆகினேன். ஸோ எனக்கு என்ன ஹெட்டிங்க்கு கீழே இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் போர்ஷன் எனக்கு தெரியாது.
Okay.
And
Heading
last
இல்ல.
moment
இன்னைக்கு எம்எஸ் வேர்ட்ல சும்மா நாங்க பிக்சர்ஸ் எப்படி இன்சர்ட் பண்றது, ஸோ இன்சர்ட் டேப்ல உள்ள ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸை தான் பார்த்தோம்.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Samira.
Hello. Oh, this question not for the decision. If you can say tell the management, I missed the last cybersecurity session, cybersecurity part 3. If you can inform the management, please send the video for the
Yeah, cybersecurity session recording.
recording for the Telegram group.
Okay, sure. I'll inform. Last
Thank
one,
you.
right? Last
Yeah,
cybersecurity.
last one. Yeah, the session 3.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, someone else was trying to talk.
Yeah. Android phone la engalukku indha section seiyalada.
Android phone la elu. ஆனா Android phone la
ஏதாவது ஒரு app யூஸ் பண்ணணுமா?
Android phone ல நீங்க வந்து WPS ஆஃபீஸ் அப்படி இல்லாட்டி இது MS Word டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஆனா உங்களுக்கு இந்த பிக்சர் ஆட் பண்ற ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும், ரிமூவ் பேக்ரவுண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் இருக்காது. அடுத்து ஸ்மார்ட் ஆர்ட் ஆப்ஷன், சார்ட் இதெல்லாம் இருக்காது. நான் ஷேப்ஸ் அண்ட் பிக்சர்ஸ்.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can't you use the option page frame in smartphones? I think your smartphone, that means smartphone, in our smartphone, whatever the applications we have, they don't have the border option. I think you are referring to the border of the page. We can't add borders. Irshad, I think, are you clear with that? Okay, any other doubts or questions we have? Any confusions or anything related to MS Word? If you have anything, I can tell you, because this subject will be focusing on the basic ones, very basic, because remember you are doing certificate in IT, so there will be only basic things I have selected from Word. So only those basic things I will teach, and others I will skip. Okay, other options I'll skip, because we teach the advanced options in diploma course. Okay, so but if you need anything extra, you can ask, I will do it, no worries. I didn't teach the insert table we'll do it in the next class.
இன்னைக்கு பிஃபோர் சொன்னது கொஞ்சம் சுருக்கமா சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்.
என்னது உங்களுக்கு எதை பத்தி தெரியணும்?
இன்னைக்கு படிச்சது. Yeah.
Okay. Paragraph with attached pictures. What do you mean by that? So, okay, today we discussed about a short. I'll make it quick, okay? But if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, how to add an image? So, if you want to add an image, you have to go to Insert tab, select Pictures. Okay, then you select from wherever you want. You go to the location, select a picture, and then you get the picture. Use the corner points to adjust the size, and then we have layout options. In that, the default one is inline with text. Inline with text means your image will be in the line. Okay, line la tha line ekane line ke tama ungala insert karna polang image. If you want to change it, adha maathana sonna square and sonna ungoda image அப்படியே square optionக்கு மாறிடும். அப்ப உங்களோட image சுத்தி வர text ஆகிய image கிட்ட வாட்டேம text உங்களாம் square தம்மா. ඊළඟක you have tight, through, and then top and bottom. So top and bottom means image එකට උඩ යට තමයි text එක තියෙන්නේ. මේල කියලා තමයි ඒක. Then the next one is behind the text. Okay, you can send the image behind the text. See. Okay, then next in front of the text. So that's about images. And remove background option, it was an advanced option. So since it is not in the mobile phone, I'm not going to focus in that very much. Okay. Then the chart option is also a extra option. So don't worry about it. Okay. Just focus on the image options, right? Then we have, next we saw about, okay, insert and then shapes. So you can insert any shapes that you want. Okay, for example, we'll go for star. Click and drag it. If you hold shift, it will equally size, else it will, your star will go like this. See, you will create a star like this. If you hold shift, it will have a exact size. Then this also has alignments. See, square, tight, through, then top and bottom, behind, in front. So you can do all those things. Now, if you want to add a text, right click, add text. If you want to add an image, you go to shape fill, picture, from a file, and then you select the image. So then it will adjust. Then you can adjust the star shapes and all. So the image will get inserted like this. So today's class, the task you all have to do it. Okay, so insert image and whatever the possible things you all do it. I think how to insert an image into a shape I have explained. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes, today we have a task. So do the task, like whatever the things we have covered, please make sure you complete it. Yes, any other confusions you all have? Any doubts?
No, sir. Thank you. We'll explain.
Welcome. Okay, then, so if you all don't have any doubts or any questions, so we are good to wind up the session. So thank you very much, everyone, for giving your valuable time on the session. Then let's meet on next week. Until then, everyone, take care, bye, and stay safe. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye, take care.